by ovulation. So not everybody likes this either, but I feel like it's worth saying. I personally avoid alcohol during my ovulation phase. And the reason why, and this might not be you, if you do not have any sort of issues with excess estrogen in your body, not everybody has this hormonal balance like I do, you can still drink alcohol and probably not have the same symptoms that I would. So if I drink alcohol during my ovulation phase, I literally stay bloated for 2 weeks until my period comes. So I really challenge myself of like, do I want this glass of wine or do I want this cocktail? And the answer is typically no, because I know that I'm going to have a harder time detoxing my body for 2 weeks because of that drink. So alcohol increases estrogen levels. So estrogen peaks at ovulation. So like me, naturally in my brain, I'm thinking I don't want to eat or drink something that's naturally going to increase a hormone that's already high that I don't need higher. So I know a lot of women feel better by actually not drinking during ovulation. And if you think about it, ovulation is our shortest cycle phase. So it's only 3 to 5 days. So like, it's not like it's so long. So that's something that I personally do. So what I do, because if I want to like treat myself, I still want to feel like I can enjoy life. I will either go out and get like a seltzer water with like lemon. So you can kind of get like the fizzy feel with lemon, maybe a little cranberry juice, and kind of just have a mocktail. And like, honestly, you never really miss alcohol anyway. I mean, I'm not a huge drinker anyway, but I personally don't miss it. Or I will take a champagne glass at home or a stemless wine glass and I'll put some kombucha in it. So then I'm getting like a fizzy, fruity taste where I still feel like I can indulge, but with alcohol. So I really like to find ways that I am still feeling like I'm celebrating and indulging, but doing my body a service, especially at the times of the month where I don't need that. So it really can just help balance your body a little bit more. So that's ovulation phase. Avoid alcohol unless you notice that you don't have the same issue. By all means, listen to your body.